to add to today? Jan, come.
Okay, so I know we've already had one celebration. This is the second celebration. And officially, this is sort of Amy's leaving. She's not leaving yet, but in the capacity she has taught us all the responsibilities that we are now performing. Sort of hesitantly, but we're learning them. Anyway, she's taking over, so we better get the Kleenex ready for Amy. So we have, I know we've already, I hope you've already had your massage. And she's already read all of our cards. And Gregory has read all of our cards. And Gregory has, I have just had the pleasure of coming from lunch and a meeting with Gregory, and he sends his love. And he's in Sedona with his son and his grandkids, and loving his time and moving on, and he sends all of his love. So we want these last three and a half years to be the most amazing memory for both of them and for us. They are. And as we set our intentions for our next steps, we don't want to forget the past. So we created this book for you, so that you will never, for both of you, so that you will never forget us.
Wow, I would never, anyway. But
It'll help you.
my heart just overflows. Thank you.
Thank you, Amy.
We love you. We love you. We bless you.
We behold the Christ light shining through you.
Thank you.